Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to send messages on TikTok and you are facing this type of problem, cannot send messages due to this user privacy settings. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this type of problem if you are having this type of issue on your TikTok account while sending messages on TikTok. So now let's get started how you can fix this type of problem. First of all, here you will need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open TikTok application. So here is TikTok, you'll have to open this. Then after that, tap on your profile picture. Then after that, tap on three lines on the right side upper corner. After that, here you will need to tap on settings and privacy. Then here you will need to tap on privacy. After that, here is the option of private account. You will have to make sure that you have turned off this toggle. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Then here is the option of direct messages. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then here you will have to turn on this toggle. Then here is the option of direct message. You will have to tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to select everyone. Then after that, cut this. After that, here is a nude filter. You will have to turn on this toggle also. So after that, here you need to go back. Then here you will need to again go back. Then tap on account. After that, here is the user information. Tap on this. Then here you will have to tap on phone number, and here you will have to make sure that you have entered the correct mobile phone number, and here you will have to verify number. If your number is correct, then you will have to remove this number and you will have to re-enter your mobile phone number and again verify it. And after that, here tap on email, and here you will have to also remove your email account, and here you will have to re-enter your email account and verify it again. Then after that, here is the option of date of birth. Here you will have to make sure that your date of birth is more than 18 years, and here make sure that you have selected the correct country or region on your TikTok account. In this way, you will be able to fix this problem on your TikTok account if you are having problem while sending messages on TikTok to TikTok users. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.